Hi, I'm Christian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. Today we're working on a Frigidaire gallery dishwasher. The customer's complaint is that it is leaking on the left-hand side. So what we are going to be replacing today is the bottom door seal. The left-hand side's a little deformed, so this is why we're replacing it. The tools you will need to complete this repair are a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips style screwdriver, or a Phillips style drill bit incorporated with the drill. The first step we want to do is open the door, of course, and remove the front door panel. To do so, there are two screws, one on the left side, one on the right side. They're both Phillips screws. So we want to go ahead and remove them. And once the screws have been removed, we can set them aside. So now that we've removed both Phillips screws, there's one on each side at the very bottom, we can go ahead and start closing the door. As you can see, the door already slid down the front panel, and now we can go ahead and carefully lift it away. Be careful because the edges are very sharp on this panel. Once the front panel has been taken off and set aside, we can go ahead and open the door again. And the bottom seal that we are replacing is on the very bottom of the dishwasher. You can see it right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull it right off. I'm probably gonna use a screwdriver coming in at the side to help me start taking it off. And just like that. And we can just pull it the rest of the way off. Just like so. Since we have the old part taken out, this is the new seal. As you can see, on the side closer to me, there is a little divot, we'll say. So this actually side goes on the right side. So make sure that side is facing towards the right side as you're installing it. So to install it, you're just gonna come, I guess, again from underneath and just push the seal in there. Once the seal is pushed in there, we'll go ahead and close the door and make sure it's going in the actual slot it's supposed to slide into. All right, so now we close the door because we have the seal in place. The reason why we took off the front panel is so we can actually see the seal. I'm pointing at it with my finger right now. We could see the seal and to see how it's formed and how it was installed. The seal, the yellow part or vanilla part, should be facing towards the bottom and it should be flush with the bottom, just like it is right now. So now we know the seal is in there properly. What we're gonna do is open and close the door a couple times just to make sure the seal doesn't become loose and fall off. One more time. And the seal is in the exact same position. Next step is to replace the front panel. To do so, I'm just gonna explain the front panel here. On the front panel, there are little notches here that the little tabs on the actual door itself are gonna slide into. So once we slide the notches into the holes provided, we wanna go ahead and slide the whole door panel up. Once it's slid up, the holes on the bottom will get aligned. So we're gonna go ahead and begin lining up the door panel here. And again, be careful because the panel is very sharp. I'm gonna start opening it so I can see how it's going on. This part is a little difficult. Sometimes you may want someone else to lend you an extra hand. So I can see that my screw holes are right where they're supposed to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure the front panel with both of the Phillips style screws we removed earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and close the front panel, the door assembly, to make sure that the front panel did go on correctly. As you can see, it's flush, there's nothing sticking out. So go ahead and return the power, test the operation of the unit, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality in-home repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.